We have several unique advantages. Its exclusivity and privacy, a secure exclusive environment that balances community living with personal space. Tailored luxury, bespoke design where our design options and personalised services are very rare in other coastal areas. State-of-art amenities, access to premium wellness centres, our cultural events and recreational facilities designed with sustainability and luxury in mind. And our integrated indoor-outdoor designs where the homes merge interior comfort with breathtaking outdoor views, making nature a part of our everyday life.